Bonjour, hi. I'm messing around in my kitchen again, and I'm about to steam some potatoes and then roast them in the oven and cover them with some cheese and tomatillo salsa because it sounds good. So here we go. We're gonna steam these potatoes until they're forked. This is my homemade tomatillo salsa. You could use store-bought. This is from the tomatillos that came out of our garden. It's really mild. We don't really do spicy, but hey, it's just tomatillos, onion, garlic, jalapenos, or serrano peppers, your choice. You roast those up and then you blend them. I can't really give you measurements because I don't know what I did. Oh, and then we added a bit of vinegar.
Let's interrupt. I found the recipe for y'all. Go ahead and take a screenshot.
It's just been 20 minutes. This here, and I pork tender, so we're gonna stop there. And then we're gonna toss these in some oil and get them in the oven.
What I'm doing here is cutting these in half and kind of diagonally. You can see here. Can't do it one-handed. Sorry. And then I chopped my onions up pretty coarsely. Everything in a bowl, and then we'll drizzle on some olive oil, or you can use a neutral oil. I've left some onions in big chunks, and I'm spritzing them with oil. Toss everything in a bowl, and I'm putting on some Cajun seasoning, salt, pepper, and paprika, and 4 cloves of minced garlic. Now I've got a pan that I've covered with non-stick foil, and I make sure everything's in an even single layer. And we'll put this in an oven at 400 degrees. When it's nice and golden like this, we're gonna add in some of that tomatillo salsa. Just dribble it around. I'm kind of putting it in the crevices. You can go on top a little bit if you like. And then we're gonna cover this with cheese. Sometimes I make these potatoes without the tomatillo sauce, and I put on this truffle cheese. This one, or there's a Gouda with truffle that's really good. But today I'm gonna use Oaxaca and cheddar. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. Make it your own. Just drop it over the top. And then we're gonna put this back in the oven until our cheese melts. I've got some nice coverage here, but you can see I still have some naked potato as well. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. All that melted cheese. And now I'm gonna top it with some green onion that I just chopped up and some parsley. And yes, I know what some of you are thinking. How about cilantro? No, I hate that crap. You can put cilantro if you want, but I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. So here you go, my roasted potatoes with my tomatillo sauce. Bon appetit! Time to eat. Do me a favor and like and subscribe if this video is interesting to you. Have a great day. Au revoir. Goodbye.